This video is about Blender who is beginner here. So when you open the Blender software, this whole area is our 3D world. By default, we get one camera, one sunlight and one cube. Here is some option to modify our objects. But now we will work on object mode or edit mode. And this side some option for cursor, move, rotate and scale. And now we will work on cube, so delete everything except cube. By holding shift and select the object and press X to delete. Now the problem is how to see our object from other side. So hold your middle mouse button and move your mouse to rotate 3D world. And scroll your middle mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. And more thing, to move our 3D world's middle point, hold shift and hold middle mouse button and move your mouse like this. So now for the scale object, select the object and press S to scale. But if you want to scale in individual axis, press S, and in which direction you want to scale, then press that axis. Same rule apply with grab and rotation. The shortcut key of grab and move is G, and for rotation R. If you want to duplicate this object, then press Shift plus D for duplicate object. So now we will know that how to join the two objects together. Okay, so select the object and press Ctrl plus J. Now our object is joined, and if you select anyone, then both will be selected because our object is linked to each other. For the edit mode, select the object or mesh and press tab on your keyboard to go to edit mode. Okay, so now here we will separate the object from each other like our object was before the joint. For the separation, select all vertices of object. After selected all vertices, press P and select the selection option. Okay, so and now our object is separated. Press tab to out from the edit mode, and now you can see our object is separated from each other. Now we will add some another mesh, so press A to select all and X to delete everything. Now our 3D world is empty, so for add something, press Shift A. This is a shortcut key to add something, so press Shift A and add a circle mesh. I want to make a pond, that's why I am choosing circle mesh. So after select the circle mesh, press tab to go to edit mode and select the vertices option from here. Okay, and select all vertices, and here we will learn a new shortcut key, that is to extrude. For extrude, the shortcut key is E. Press it to extrude. Press Z to extrude to the direction of Z. For the front view, press numpad on your keyboard and select front option, and now we are in front view. Press E and Z to extrude along the Z axis. Press left key to OK and scale, left click and again extrude along the Z axis, and now try with me by extruding and scaling. It is very simple. Try.
On the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that.
Now our 50% work has done, and for perfect port model, so we have to add some modifier. So go to modify section and add a solidify modifier and increase the thickness of it, and here a look. Add one another modifier, that is subdivision surface, and also increase its thickness. And now it's time to smooth. Select the object and right click and select the smooth option. Now our port is ready. And now add a cube and try to make like how I am making. This will help you to create bridge in our next video. My next video will be about Howrah Bridge, which is in Kolkata. Tab to go to edit mode and press Ctrl plus R for the loop cut. and scroll the middle mouse button to increase and decrease the loop cut number. And now left click to OK. Select the face option from here and select the all faces and press X to delete. But look, there is a gap between these edges. Select edge option and select two edges one by one by shift key and press Ctrl E and select the bridge edge loop. Same thing do with another one.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now.